You can download the free app from the Apple Store or the Google Store. First, launch the app on your mobile device. Then tap the Request button at the bottom of the home screen. You can create a login if you want to receive updates about the progress of your request, or click on Create Anonymous if you do not want to receive updates. Remember, if you submit a request as anonymous, you will not receive feedback from the city. First, you will select the most relevant category. Select a request category from the list menu by clicking on Select a Report Type. Then click Done at the top right corner. As a reminder, you will see a black check mark for items completed and a red X for the ones that are incomplete. Next, you will select a location. Enter the location or tap the screen to drop a pin on a spot on the map. You can also move the map around to help you find your location. Once complete, click Done at the top right corner. Next, you will need to provide more details about your request. Select the issue type from the list menu by clicking on Tell us more details. Then click Done at the top right corner. Then fill out the description of the problem. Remember, the more details, the better. Then click Done at the top right corner. The following steps are optional. You can add a photo, video, or audio on the spot if you want. You can add more later too. By selecting Confidential, your report will not appear for public view on the website or within the mobile app. However, your report may still be publicly disclosed if required by law. Click Submit once you have filled in all the information. Next, you will see a pop-up notification. Click on My Requests. Here, you view a list of your requests. You will see comments when city staff responds to your requests. You can also see comments by clicking on the envelope at the bottom of your screen. These comments will also come in the form of an email if you are logged into the app. You also have the option to respond to staff comments. Remember that you can only respond through the app. You will not be able to respond to the email. Carlsbad Connects has other features besides making service requests. Click More, located at the bottom right. Here, you can access more resources for the City of Carlsbad. From the homepage, you can access other resources such as recreation, news, trails, library, city services, and so on. Carlsbad Connects is available for download for both Android and iOS, so start downloading the app today. For more information, you can visit the city's website at www.carlsbadca.gov/fixit.